2018 Dodge Durango, guys. I'm getting ready to do an alternator. This car has 220,000 miles. Alternator stopped charging. Guys, let me tell you something. Never try to do an alternator starter or anything like that electrical without disconnecting the battery, okay? My helper was going to try to leave it on. He's just going to try to bring it out safely. No, take the damn battery out. Now, but here's what I want to talk about. How many of you guys remember I suggested that at a certain mile interval that you just go ahead and replace the alternator, whether it's working or not? Did y'all think about that? Okay, what do y'all think? Now, this is the original Mopar alternator that was installed at birth. This truck now has 220,000 miles. I'm getting ready to go on with a new alternator. It's not so new. It's not even Mopar. Mopar didn't have one. They couldn't get one. All right, so they got me this. I don't know how long it's gonna last. My point is, would y'all suggest doing your alternator right around 200,000 miles? This left them stranded. The alternator just physically stopped working and stopped charging, and the car died. All right, they had to get a tow truck. Yeah, go figure. Would y'all consider replacing your alternator anyway at 200,000 miles? Especially if you can get a good lifespan of 200,000 miles out of it. I want y'all to keep something in mind. Every part on this vehicle will eventually fail at some point in time. Now, the parts that could leave you stranded, that's the one you may want to consider replacing before it actually breaks. Y'all think about that. All right, I'm going in with this new alternator, 220,000 miles. It did its job. Mopar, no car, baby. This might be a Derman. Okay, we're going to get it on. Y'all stay tuned.